So hello guys, today's Leetcode problem is the number of sub-array with the odd sum. So basically we have given the array and we have to count the number of sub-array whose sum is equal to odd. So this is a pretty straightforward question basically. If you know, whenever we encounter some problem that requires some sub-array sum, we prefer mostly the prefix sum. For example, let's understand this problem with a test case. We have given the 1, 2, 3 as an input array and the output is 4 for it. How? If you see the sub-array 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 2, 3 and only 3, correct? So these are the 4 sub arrays whose sum is equal to odd. If you say 1 is equal to 1 is already odd, 1 plus 2 that is a 3, 3 is odd, 2 plus 3 is a 5 that is odd, and 3 itself is a odd. So this is the output for it. So how you can do it? So if you see how we can use the prefix sum over here. So my input array is like a 1, 2, 3. If I found the prefix for it, so you know, right, prefix sum initially it is 0, correct? 0 plus 1, it will be like this, 1. 1 plus 2, that is a 3. 3 plus 3, that is a 6. So this is my prefix sum for the given array. So I will just write it clear. Here is my input array 1, 2, 3. And I will write here the prefix sum, that is 1, 3 and 6 and 0. Now if suppose I am at a point here, if I am here basically, now if I want to find how many sub arrays possible with a given sum as a odd, how many possible basically. If you see, this is the even number. So if you know, if you want to find the odd count or odd something, so even, okay, if you want to find something odd, so you should do even minus odd, if I'm not wrong. For example, let's say one example, if even number is 4, so 4 minus 2, if you take that, it will always give you the even number, that is 2. But if you took 4 minus 1, that is an odd number, it will always give you the odd number. Same for the vice versa. If it is a odd, so odd minus even always will give you the odd number. Correct? Right? So if I am here at this point 6, right? And now if I want to find the number of prefix sum we have seen so far with the odd. So how you can do this? If you see, this is a even number, right? We want to find the opposite parity basically. So if you see how many prefix sums with the odd we have seen so far, that will be the 1 and 2. So for this step you can find at most 2 sub array whose sum is equal to the odd. If you want to see this, see, we have seen this 3, right? So if you see this 3, you have to exclude it. So this will be the 1 sub array, correct? Then this was the odd. So if you exclude this, so 2 plus 3, 5, which is also the odd, basically it is becoming the odd. But if you see, we haven't included this because why? 2 plus 3, that is a 5, plus 1, that is a 6. So it will form the even